BABBEL.com.
The following is a test of the EAS. This station is testing its emergency alert equipment. The EAS provides timely emergency warnings. This station serves the extended Pittsburgh operational area. This concludes this EAS test.
And I'm joined by, oh wait, I'm only joined by one person. I wonder where JR is. Oh. Anyway, I'm joined by.
You know who I am.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, we don't.
You've clearly seen me too many times.
I don't know who you are.
Yeah, we don't know who you are.
Drew, we've been together almost for a decade.
Are you sure about that?
Actually, no.
This is my first call meeting with you.
No. Actually, we've actually been dating ourselves, and then and then we had a child back in 2015.
Oh God. He is just.
Someone might need to pause on that part.
Oh yeah. I'm definitely censoring that part out.
All seriousness, I'm RCC3 165.
Okay, and we're also joined by.
Anyway, I am S213.
Yes, thank you for 1-3. And yeah, that's it for
Just be glad I said my name properly.
Yes. Anyway. Yeah, there isn't much.
Just be glad I didn't. Okay, no.
What?
I'm not even gonna ask.
Yeah. Anyway. I guess I'll see y'all in the next video. Right, if you know that design your Uber isn't work, good help